In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Washington, D.C. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what details to enter, and how to complete your payment confidently, all without leaving your browser. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DC Department of Motor Vehicles website at dmv.dc.gov. This is the safest place to pay, and it ensures your information stays protected. On the homepage, look for a link or button labeled Pay Tickets or Pay Traffic Ticket Online. Depending on site updates, it might be in the main menu, under Services, or featured on the homepage. But those exact words are what you're after. Click through to open the payment portal. Have your citation handy. To locate your record, the portal will prompt you to enter one of three things: your ticket number, your notice number, or your vehicle's license plate number. Type the information exactly as it appears on your documents. Pay close attention to letters and numbers, and avoid adding extra spaces or dashes unless the form asks for them. If you use a license plate, be sure the state or jurisdiction is set correctly. Keep in mind that newly issued tickets can take a few days to appear in the system. If you can't find yours right away, give it a little time and try again rather than submitting duplicate searches. Once your ticket appears, take a moment to carefully review all the details. Confirm the violation type matches what you received, note the fine amount, and check the due date. This is your chance to catch any typos or mismatches before you pay. If the due date is approaching, be aware that late fees can apply after it passes, so it's best to complete payment promptly. When everything looks correct, proceed to pay online. Select the ticket you want to settle, then enter your debit or credit card details on the secure checkout page. Make sure the name and billing address match your card to avoid declines. Before you submit, look for any small processing fee and review the total amount. Click to submit your payment and wait for the confirmation screen to load. Avoid refreshing or closing the tab until you see confirmation. Finally, save your proof of payment. Download the receipt if there's a button for it, or take a clear screenshot that shows the confirmation number, date, and amount. Keep this record in a safe place in case